let's start with Standup. So should I be share your screen and show us the bit of task that you did yesterday and your calendar?
Yes. So I'll show my calendar first. This is yesterday's 3 to 4 p.m. recording. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 is break, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 is break, 10 to 11, 11 to 11:30, and 11:30 daily summary. And my task is creating 8 request list screen using Flutter and Dart. And I was able to solve the error. Uh, I'm currently trying to display the filter.dart screen, but I'm just I'm not able to fetch the list from Firebase, so I'm figuring out how. But before that, I completed this 8 request list screen. Here we are. Here, just a second. Here in this provider, I changed some things like list. Before this was string, and I changed it to list string image URLs. Then map string dynamic for location, and list string for subcategories. And I also did some changes in this method with the help of ChatGPT. So I was able to properly fetch the uh, properly fetch everything from Firebase. And here in the list, here we are fetching the aid request with this method, and we are also printing everything. So before we had this error fetching aid request, but it's not occurring now, and the requests are also available. So I'll just show it in a bit. There was some problems with the card. So before this was a row, but since the location was a little bigger, the name was bigger. So uh, for the location, um, it was also displaying latitude and longitude with the location. So here uh, added this string location name, which just fetches the address of the location and not the latitude and longitude. So here the location just fetches the name of the name, the address, and not the latitude and longitude. And here everything is under a column, uh, the category and the location, so it doesn't look bad. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks, and these are the requests that are fetched from the Firebase itself. So this is how it looks. And uh, also in the home screen, I did some changes here because there were some other options here, which was home and profile. So the home option was the default one. I wanted to put the aid request screen as the default one, so I removed everything else, and changed the index to 1. Uh, the index, I had to change the index because it wasn't signing out from here. So now I'm able to sign out from here like this, and I'm able to log back in. And this is how the navigation rail looks, with just one option for now. And we'll add others later. And the rest of the things appear normally. This is the card, and we can't click the card right now. It's not clickable, but it shows up like this, and this form is also working correctly. So this the aid request list itself is done, and now I'm moving to filter, the filter ranking. So this is what I did yesterday and today. Thank you.
Shweta. Now, Shani, will you share the screen and show the book of tasks that you did yesterday on your calendar?
Yes. So my task is to test the Help People's Aid app in real form thoroughly. And yesterday I performed these three test cases. First one is that submitting the form without an internet connection, and for that I fill the form with the validator and then turned off the internet connection, and then try to submit then try to submit the form. And second one is that to clicking the back button when the internet is unavailable and the loading indicator is displayed, and when I performed that, so I was redirected to the home screen. And third one is navigating back to the form screen after returning to the home screen. When I was redirected to the home screen, I clicked on plus button on the home screen for navigating back to the add request screen. So I was redirected, but only the image was there and all the other data was cleared. So I will show the demo for that, for these three test cases. Then I clicked on back button. This is the home screen. Then I clicked on a plus button and I was redirected again to the submitted request screen. So this is all what I did yesterday, and this is my calendar: 3 to 4 recording, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 break, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 break, 10 to 11, and 11 to 12 daily summary. Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So, guys, will you share your screen and show the task that you did yesterday?
Yep. So, as we are done with the newsletter, but we are waiting for the confirmation from the client. So I start working on the list which we have to create on Figma. So for that, I have designed a rough draw, which I usually do. So this will be the status bar now. This is the back button, and this will be the our home, the menu bar button. And once we are going to click on that, and slider will come, which we will use in Figma. This is just a rough drawing, and then this will be our search bar. And after that, these are the filters. Uh, Only one filter will be visible once we are going to select the filter. So these will appear. After that, the home card will appear here. Whosoever has submitted the form, his profile pic will appear, and here the request, whatever soever the images they have picked in the category and the subcat the request form we have already created. So first image of that will appear here. With that, the title will appear on this first line, then the category, and after that the location, and similarly the other cards will appear as well. And on the basis of that, I have started working on Figma as well. So here is a card. As it's not completed yet, we'll try to complete today as soon as possible. Here the status bar, the menu button, and the search bar, and after that the filter, and all the cards will appear. So I'm working on the card part, so that as per the material design, as in some parts of the material design, the card is very short, and we cannot fit everything inside. So I went through some research and got some ideas, and will implement it, and hopefully by today uh, we'll complete it, or by tomorrow. This is all
We
from my
won't
side.
be
Yep.
needing the back button. We just
Your
added
voice is not
because app bar have that, but we don't need the. Actually, we don't need a back button.
okay. We don't need a back button. Okay, no problem. We will delete this, and then what we can do, the search bar we will shift over here, and after that the menu bar will appear, so that we can utilize this space.
And one more thing,
Yep.
actually, we are not taking profile pictures from the user, so they might not have the profile picture, so you can remove that.
Your voice is not coming properly,
So the thing I'm saying is, we don't have the profile pictures of the user, so you can delete
Okay.
the profile picture as well.
Okay, okay, no issue. Just the title, description, the category, and the location, and the request image, the add request image.
Yes,
Correct.
actually, you can provide multiple images by carousel slider. We can add that in place of images in carousel slider.
Okay, okay, okay. We'll try to do that. No issue. Anything else?
Like, hmm,
Okay, okay. Thank you.
thank you.
You're welcome.